Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 plasma cutter machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Plasma Cutter TIG AC DC TIG welder. Specifications: 2.5 meters power cable, 200 amp electrode holder with 2.5 meters cable, 200 amp earth clamp with 2.5 meters cable, 4 meters TIG torch WP17, plasma torch 4 meters SG55, air regulator, 3 meters gas hose, operating manual. Item number 2 is the Plasma Cutter Paris 1000 PROFI Plasma Cutter. Specifications: Certification, C. Origin, CN Origin. Input voltage, 380 volts. Rated current, 100A. Usage, cutting. Model number, Paris 1000. On the top of our list at number 1 we have CNC non-HF Pilot Arc HE8080A Cut 80 NP. Specifications: Brand name, Arcsonic. Input voltage, 220 volts and 380 volts. Rated current, 80 amps. Usage, plasma cutting machine. Dimensions, 630 x 350 450 mm. Model number, HE8000/Cut 80 NP. Max cutting thickness, 30 mm at 70 psi dry air. Power component, IGBT. Duty cycle, 60% and 80 amps, 100% and 70 amps. CNC port, support. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.